Hey everyone, Shendil here for Tech Life. Today we're going to see about the top 5 features of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So if you're buying one or if you want to know what are the new features are coming to the Note 20 Ultra, watch this video without skipping it. So let's get started. First one is the Samsung DeX, which is Samsung Desktop Experience. In all high-end Samsung devices, they will include this feature. This is exclusively available for Samsung smartphones only. So let's see how it works. You just want to use a USB cable to connect to your monitor or PC. Once it's done, you can use your mobile as your desktop CPU and it can provide you a Windows experience. In mobile, we can't perfectly work with MS Office applications like PowerPoint, Word, Outlook or Excel, but this will get your job done. So that's why Samsung comes with its DeX idea. This was one of the killer features in the Samsung flagship smartphones. I bought a S8 a few years back, but mainly I purchased S8 because of this feature. S8 was the first device in the Galaxy family to brought up this feature. I just used it and I liked it very much. It helped me to handle my productivity works very easily. And now in the Note 20 series, Samsung just got this feature updated to use it wirelessly. Just scroll down the notification bar and it will show you the DeX option. Click that and you can connect it wirelessly to your smart TV or devices through screencasting or screen mirroring technology. And you can also use it as a touchpad or trackpad, which is great. And also if you have any wireless keyboard or mouse at home, you can just connect through the smartphone and work it like a PC. And additionally, Samsung is supporting more apps to this desktop experience, which include Photoshop, video editing tools and much more. This is one of the best features in the Note 20 series. Second one is the S Pen. This feature is one of the biggest selling points for Samsung Note series smartphones. They've been updating this S Pen feature since the first generation and providing different features of using it. We can use it to make notes and we can convert the notes to the text format and we can easily insert in a document. You can use this to sign a document. For example, if you want to sign in a PDF document, open the PDF file and straight away you can zoom as per your preference and sign it with using the pen. This feature is very useful for auditors, managers and business people. And you can also control the camera using the S Pen, and it also supports air gestures also, so that you can control your screen using the S Pen feature. Mainly in the Note 20 Ultra, the latency level of the S Pen has been reduced through AI to 9 milliseconds, so that you will feel like accurately writing or drawing without any latency, which is great. Third one is the premiumness and display quality. The form factor of the Note 20 Ultra with the textured glass back can feel like holding a premium smartphone. According to Samsung Note lineup, you will definitely feel the build quality of the smartphones. And coming to display, it has a Quad HD Plus, which is 2K display with HDR10 Plus support, and this is the first smartphone coming with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and also has a 120Hz display refresh rate, which works only on 1080p mode just like the S20 series. In my opinion, it's a biggest negative because it's a new high-end smartphone in Samsung lineup and the price is also high, comparing the competitors like OnePlus 8 Pro selling for a half price of Note 20 Ultra, but they were given the option for 2K at 120Hz. Otherwise, in terms of display quality and color outputs, the Samsung display is top notch. Fourth one is the processor. Here again, Samsung using its own processor called Exynos 990, which is already on the Samsung S20 series. It's a downgrade because the competitor for Exynos 990 was Snapdragon 865. But now they've been updated to Snapdragon 865 Plus. But here Samsung is still using their own processor without updating it. So comparing the Snapdragon 865 series with Samsung Exynos 990 series, the Exynos 990 has a slight downgrade with 10% less performance. The processor is the only hardware that can optimize the output of the camera, gaming performance, battery life and heating issues. So that Samsung has to improve its own processor, or otherwise they want to use a Snapdragon chipset. In India, customers are not happy with Exynos chipset. They were feeling it's not the best, but they were paying for it. Many reviewers have been told in their reviews, but Samsung doesn't care about that. Still, they were launching for a higher price for Exynos chipset. So according to the processor, definitely it's a negative. And finally the cameras. On the front it has a 10 megapixel camera that can shoot videos up to 4K at 60 fps, and on the rear it has a triple camera setup. The primary camera has 108 megapixel sensor which we've seen on the S20 Ultra, and the second one is the 12 megapixel telephoto camera coming with 5x optical zoom and 50x hybrid zoom. And finally we have the 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, so it can shoot videos up to 8K at 24 frames per second and 4K up to 60 fps. In 1080p it can shoot videos up to 240 fps, and in 720p it can shoot super slow motion videos at 960 fps. So according to cameras, the cameras are great and well optimized. So these are the top 5 features in the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And finally, coming to pricing, in India it has only one variant available right now, which is 256GB storage and 12GB RAM variant for a price of Rs 1,05,000. In US, the base variant 128GB and 8GB RAM variant is selling for $1,300, which is around 98,000. Normally in India, Samsung will price more than 25,000 comparing the US market, but for this Note 20 Ultra there is a similar price comparing the US. But the competition in India is tight for Samsung because OnePlus is giving tight competition for the Note 20 Ultra. OnePlus 8 Pro is available for a price of Rs 55,000 to 65,000 according to the storage. OnePlus also giving features like fast wireless charging, IP68 water resistant, and also coming with Snapdragon 865 Plus. OnePlus is selling half a price of Note 20 Ultra, so therefore pricing for the Note 20 Ultra in India was too high. If you ask me, does the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra worth the price or not? My straight answer is it's not, because competitors were using the better processors and the price difference in the competition was above 50,000, which is not worth buying. That's my personal opinion. If you have yours, please make sure you share it in the comment section below. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, catch you guys in the next video.